Two legends going at it tonight. You see both Dirk and LeBron. They're in the top 10 for the all-time scoring leaders. LeBron had a triple-double tonight. 16 points, 13 rebounds, 12 assists. Turns it over there to end the first quarter. Yogi with the shot clock cheese. He banks it off the glass for the splash. Second quarter, spin move. LeBron, he's gonna dish it to 32,000 tattoos. Knocks that down. LeBron kicks it outside again. Rodney Hood. Why would you leave him open? You know it's good. Still in the second quarter, Dirk with the pump fake. Knocking it down. He's still doing that even though he's aged and he's old. Second half. Harrison Barnes just gonna let it go straight away. Nothing but net. The Mavericks look like, hey, maybe they can win this game. They can't make the playoffs, but they're still competing. They're not just gonna lay down. They're not just gonna tank. J.R. Smith goes off one leg. He's feeling comfortable. In the post, look at that footwork. The and one for the lead. Jordan Clarkson making an impact. And then in the fourth quarter, LeBron James delivering daggers, isolating another step back three. He can't be stopped. The ball movement is the dagger. The Cavs are going to take this one. Back to the clinch he goes. He likes the clinch, and he's going down to the ground. He's got good ground ratings too, but so does Moses. I'm not scared. Oh, he's going for a submission. He's trying to submit Moses. Oh my goodness, I'm out of there though. Come on, cuz.